Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because obviously I'm like not in my beauty room right now. That's because the beauty room is behind this door. For today's video, I could give you guys like a beauty room tour because I just got my blinds installed yesterday. So the beauty room is pretty much complete. I figured let's go ahead and do a little beauty room tour, show you guys my vanity, show you guys everything because why not? Don't forget to subscribe and let's go into the beauty room. So when you open the door, this is essentially like the first thing that you're going to see. So when you first walk into the beauty room, this is essentially like the view that you're going to be getting. So over here is the vanity, so it's kind of like the first thing that you see. Once you come more into the beauty room, over here I have my full-length mirror. This was so exciting to me. I know that sounds so stupid, but for the last 10 years, like my full-length mirror has been like behind a closet door, hanging on the door, and like I had no light. I was never really able to see like how my full outfit would look. I would always have to like use my phone and like back up and do like a little like outfit thing. So to get a full-length mirror was so important to me. I know, again, that sounds so stupid, but this I actually got at HomeGoods and I love it. I think it was like $99, so not bad, and I didn't have to hang it. That was another thing I didn't want to do. I didn't want to have to like not mount it, but like hang it to the wall. I wanted it just to kind of like stand on its own, so I love that. Okay, and then you like go right over here, and this is where I have all of my perfumes displayed. I got this bookcase from Wayfair. I'll link it below for you guys. It was super easy to put together. My sister put it together for me because I'm not handy. She's the handy one, so she put it together for me. And it took a few hours, but it is nice and sturdy, and it was under like $250. I really wanted something that I could like put on display, and I could display all my perfumes, and I would be able to have a good visual of where everything is. So that's why I went with this, and I love the arch too because it matches the arch mirror. So a lot of the mirrors in my house are arched, so if you ever like see me taking a mirror picture or whatever, chances are the mirror's arched, but I love an arched mirror. I don't know what it is. I love it. The YSL little thing that you see right there, I got that in PR like right before I was moving out of my house, and I knew that I wanted it on display in the beauty room. So when I was picking out this bookcase, I was like, this is perfect because I can just center this here, and then I can kind of like do perfumes like on the side. I had such a vision for this, so I can't believe that it actually happened. And then I like organized all of my perfumes kind of by brand. Like I tried to do it by brand, so I obviously have a lot of Fleur. So I did all of my Fleur here, all of my replica ones here, and then this one is a mix. This one is like Victor and Rolf, and then Jimmy Choo. Then I just got this in PR. This is Miu Miu, and then behind it I have the 7 Virtues. So that's what I did there. And then here I have my Valentino one. So same thing, I tried to do it by brand. And then same thing on the top, I did 2 of my, let me just fix this because this is like bothering me. But oh, wait, let me fix this one too. So I wanted to do it by brand, so I did the YSLs here, and then I had 2 of the same Carolina Herrera perfumes. So I thought it was cool to kind of like have the matching heel on either side. And on the second shelf, I tried to do the same thing. This one is pretty organized, but this one is definitely better. So over here, I did do YSL again. So I have YSL Libre, and then another Black Opium. Then here, this really isn't like aligned with brands because I did all the same brands like up here. These are kind of like a mixture. The only place that's really aligned is again Fleur. Clearly I love Fleur, but these are all the Fleur body sprays that I have, and then whatever Salt Air body sprays I have, I did put them right here. If you guys want like a whole detailed perfume collection, let me know. I will definitely do that. And then down here was pretty much just my Cycler perfume oils. I got those in PR like way long ago, and I put them in storage almost immediately because I knew that I'd be moving and I really wanted them on display in the beauty room. So those have been in storage forever, and I love them because they came with these like marble, like these little, yeah, like marble-ish like little stands. So I think it's so cute. Then I just have a picture of my sister and I at the Eras tour. I have my engraved Santal Bloom body oil with my name on it from Salt Air. This was so special to me. So this I'll probably never use because it's just, it has my name on it. It's so cute. So yeah, I will do a full detailed in-depth video of this display. If you guys want, just let me know. And then this is the most exciting part of the entire room. Don't mind my Dr. Pepper and my Awala. That's just real life, okay? I'm about to drink this, so I just brought it up here. But this Vanity, this is from Impressions Vanity. If you guys know, you know. This is kind of like the Vanity to have if you're like super into makeup and whatever. Like, I don't want that to sound any kind of way, but like this Vanity, in my opinion, is like the Vanity, and I've wanted it for so long. I did just finish filming, so if it looks a little dirty, that's why. I literally have been filming in here for literal hours, so don't mind that. But again, I knew exactly what I wanted when it came to this Vanity. I went with the 5-drawer one, and then I went with just like the basic mirror. They do have an option for like Bluetooth and stuff, but that was a little more expensive, so I just was like, you know what, I have a Bluetooth speaker, I don't need the mirror to be Bluetooth. So even though like thinking about it now, it would be kind of cool to have it being Bluetooth, but I'm totally fine without it. I just love like the lights and everything, and I love that I have 2 mirrors now. And this was really the selling point for me, was like the clear glass tops, because I've always wanted that. I've always wanted to put stuff on display. So in this drawer specifically, I saved all of like my really expensive like PR that I've got, like the YSL, the Valentino, because I knew that it would look so cute in this clear casing. That was really important to me. Over here, I put like eyeshadow palettes because I just didn't really know what else to put. And then here I have some makeup brushes. It's kind of messy right now because like I said, I did just finish getting ready. And then I have this cute brush from, I think, Pureology that says Healer. I think it's so freaking cute. And these are the drawers. So I have it organized where this side is makeup, the other side is skincare and hair. So I got a bunch of these like a little acrylic organizers off of Amazon. I will link them below for you guys if you guys are interested. So I wanted this first drawer to kind of be like my essentials. So I have like my liquid bronzers, my liquid blushes. Obviously, like I really only use Rare Beauty, so this is just Rare Beauty liquid blushes. My concealers, some lippies, my favorite powders, my everyday blushes. So everything that I use pretty much on the daily, I wanted to be like right here, like super easy to get to. So I didn't want it to be organized like one drawer was bronzers, one drawer was blushes. I wanted it to be where I could have easy access to pretty much everything that I need on the daily. And this one is kind of the same thing. This one's a little bit of a mess right now, but in here I have my lip liners, all my mascaras, my eyeliners, my lash glues. Then I have anything that's like brow related, so brow gel, brow pencil, all that kind of stuff. And then back here I have powders that I don't use every single day, so I put those there. And then this is just like new makeup and stuff. Like I have my eyelash curler, I have makeup that I want to try, and then obviously my lashes and stuff. And in this drawer, oh my god, they always fall over, but I do have my foundations and stuff in here because I can actually stand them up. So that was important to me too, to be able to like stand up my foundation. So these are my foundation setting sprays. I have more blushes here. So these are blushes that I don't use every single day, but I do want to have them still here if I do want to use them. So that's that drawer. And then here, I think this is just, yeah, this is kind of a mess right now. This is like extra ring lights, extra batteries, lashes, nail files, like stuff like that, just because I didn't really know what to put. And then what does this drawer have? Okay, this drawer has like wires, more PR, I guess makeup bags. Oh, my LED mask, I was looking for that. So yeah, this one, it doesn't really have like a home, if you will. This is just like extra stuff. And on the right side of the vanity, like I said, I have skincare and I have like hair care. So this top drawer is pretty much my morning and my nighttime skincare. I wanted it to be super easy. So again, I do have everything like organized in these acrylic organizers. It's a lot harder to organize like products like this than you think. Like it really took me like an hour or so to kind of figure out like how I wanted this to be done. So I have like everything that I would use throughout the week is right here, and I wanted it to be super easy. I didn't want to have to go looking for a product every single time I wanted to use it. I wanted to make sure that it was here and easy and accessible, so that's why I chose to do that. And then here I have like my cotton rounds, my Bioderma, and just like extra stuff that doesn't fit in that drawer that is like skincare related. I did put here because like I don't really necessarily want it like on top of the vanity. I want as much as I can in the drawers, so I did that. And then here I believe is all my hair stuff, yeah. So this is like all my like leave-in products, my brushes, my Dyson attachments, so everything like that I put here, again, I want everything to kind of be easy and have its own home so I know where everything is all the time. That was really important to me. And then here, oh, this drawer, you guys, this is like my favorite drawer because this is all the extra PR like skincare that I get. So stuff that I know I'm gonna use and that I want to use, I make sure to like put it in here so that when the time is ready, when I run out of what I'm currently using, because I don't like to have like multiple creams open, multiple vitamin C's, multiple eye creams. Like, no, I like to like go through what I go through, and then when it's time, I will go ahead and take out more, like what I need. So this drawer was really fun to do because now I can kind of like see everything that I have on like here and every like on. This drawer was really fun and exciting for me to do because I was able to go through all my skincare. Like I know pretty much everything that's in this drawer, so I am just so happy and so thankful that like I have all these backups of all these products so that when it is time for me to get to use them, I do have the opportunity to. So I love that. This drawer makes me so happy. And this one, I just have extra like my other Dyson, my Dyson hair dryer, my other Dyson Airwrap, and then I guess my other Tower 28 blushes. I don't know what they're doing there, but yeah. So that's the last drawer. All right, so that completes like the beauty room tour for now. Like, this is technically supposed to be like the beauty room slash like guest room because like the only people that ever really stay with me and my boyfriend are like my friends or my family. So I don't know if I necessarily want to do like a pull-out couch or something. Like I was thinking maybe like over here in this area I could have something that like pulled forward, but then I don't want it to be too big and take away from the space. So I do have a lot of decisions to make when it comes to that. Other than that, I am just so excited to be in this beauty room. Like you guys, I have dreamed about this. Like this vanity is everything and more that I could have wanted. Like this from Wayfair, like I love this thing. Like when I saw this, I had it in my cart for months and I was just waiting for us to move back in because I knew immediately that like this is what I wanted to like display my perfumes in and stuff like that. Oh, I forgot the most important part of this room. Thor's bed. Like, are we kidding? This bed is so cute. It goes with the room. Like now when I'm in here filming, he can be in here and be comfortable and not have to worry about like jumping on a bed or laying on the floor. So that was very important for me too. Yeah, so that completes the beauty room tour, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you want like more in depth of anything, like let me know like if you want to see like a blush collection, a bronzer collection, you want to know all the perfumes I have, let me know in the comments and I will definitely film that for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video.